Mental health well-being. Being separated from one's home can present considerable challenges, particularly when encountering unfamiliar countries, cultures, and languages. The Migrant Worker Community Program endeavors to offer guidance and resources to assist workers and communities in navigating these transitions. So what is mental wellness? Mental wellness is an internal resource that helps us think, feel, connect, and function. It's an active process that helps us to build resilience, grow, and flourish. Your mental health is incredibly important and can have a big impact on your physical and emotional well-being as well. Factors that can affect mental well-being. Moving to a new country and becoming familiar with a new language environment and a new society are processes that always cause people to stress and strain. Factors which can affect the mental health of migrant workers include loneliness, financial uncertainty, lack of inclusion, linguistic and cultural challenges, and difficulties accessing social and healthcare services. Signs of potential mental health problems. It can be difficult to think about yourself and whether you're experiencing mental health challenges. You may think you're just fine, but others around you may notice changes they can't explain. Signs of potential mental health problems include changes in sleeping or eating patterns, changes in your mood, getting easily angered or being impatient, difficulty coping with stress, difficulty concentrating, changes in appearance, and increased isolation. Steps to mental well-being. There are steps that you can take to improve your mental health and well-being. Trying these things could help you feel more positive and able to get the most out of life. Enjoy this experience of working in Canada as best as you can. Having the opportunity to work abroad is also something that you can be proud of, and although it is difficult to be away from home, it is also a great opportunity to help your family, to provide them with a better quality of life. Connect with other people. Good relationships are important for your mental well-being. They can help you to build a sense of belonging and self-worth, give you an opportunity to share positive experiences, and provide emotional support and allow you to support others. There are lots of things you could try to help build stronger and closer relationships. If possible, take time each day to be with your friends. For example, try arranging a fixed time to eat dinner together. Arrange a day out with your friends you have not seen for a while. And you can also stay connected with your loved ones. Make the most of technology to stay in touch with family. Video chat apps like WhatsApp and FaceTime are useful, especially if you live apart. However, do not rely on technology or social media alone to build relationships. It's easy to get into the habit of only ever texting, messaging, or emailing people. Be physically active. Being active is not only great for your physical health and fitness, evidence also shows it can also improve your mental health well-being. By raising your self-esteem, helping you to set goals or challenges and achieve them, and causing chemical changes in your brain which can help to positively change your mood. It is recommended to read about running and aerobic exercises to help you get moving and improve your fitness. Read about strength and flexibility exercises as well to increase muscle strength, improve balance, and reduce joint pain. Try to go for a walk or run after work hours, or try to go to a gym or something you enjoy most. However, do not feel you have to spend hours in the gym. It's best to find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your life. Learn new skills. Research shows that learning new skills can also improve your mental health well-being by boosting self-confidence and raising self-esteem, helping you to build a sense of purpose, and helping you connect with others. Even if you feel like you do not have enough time or you may not need to learn new things, there are lots of different ways to bring learning into your life. Try learning to cook something new, or perhaps about eating a healthy, balanced diet. You could try learning a new language, or try new hobbies that challenge you, such as writing a blog, taking up a new sport, or something you might find interesting. However, do not feel you have to learn new qualifications or sit exams if this does not interest you. It's best to find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your life. Give to others. Research suggests that acts of giving and kindness can help improve your mental well-being by creating positive feelings and a sense of reward, giving you a feeling of purpose and self-worth, and helping you connect with other people. Some examples of the things you could try include saying thank you to someone for something they have done for you, asking friends, family, or colleagues how they are and listening to their answers, and spending time with friends or relatives who need support or company. Pay attention to the present moment. It can improve your mental well-being. This includes your thoughts and feelings, your body, and the world around you. Some people call this awareness or mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you enjoy life more and understand yourself better. It can positively change the way you feel about life and how you approach challenges. If you consider that you need professional help, to talk to someone, or to receive a professional advice, you can contact MWCP together with the Canadian Mental Health Association and we'll be able to help you. You are not alone and your mental health is very important. Feel free to connect with us.